The Greer Company s450612 is a circuit board out of a Sky Azul crane in its reeling system, which is used for moving large equipment at locations. This particular unit came from an airport where it was used on a portable crane system for moving aircraft. This particular control board came in with a dead short and would not power up at any level. After a full rebuild and replacement of the shorted parts, we show in the video the unit powering up and the communication light blinking, which indicates it's waiting for communication with the rest of the system. At ERD, we specialize in working on many of the pieces of complex equipment without having the entire system. This board is unavailable now, and would have had a very high cost to retrofit the entire machine. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.